Hello everyone, this is my review of the Echo Show. The first thing you notice is the screen. It is large, bright, and very clear, so everything is easy to see from across the room. Setup was quick and straightforward. Within minutes, it was connected and ready to use. Once it is set up, it really becomes a daily control center. I can see my calendar, reminders, weather, and to-do lists all in one place, which helps me stay organized without constantly checking my phone. One feature I use all the time is watching videos and shows on it. The screen is big enough that it feels more like a small TV than a bright display, and the sound is better than I expected. Having Alexa with a screen makes a big difference. When I control lights, check cameras, set timers, or ask questions, I can actually see everything happening, which feels much more intuitive. Overall, this has become part of my everyday routine. If you want a device that combines organization, entertainment, and smart home control, the Echo Show is a great option. I highly recommend it, and I hope this review helps.